Press the bell icon to never miss an update from placement interviews.
Hi guys, this is Sunidhi from Placement Interviews, and today I have Karthikeya with us, who is here to share his SAT experience. Reach out to us if you like to be interviewed, or you have a friend or relative who's worthy of being interviewed. Write a mail or drop a comment below, or reach out to us on any of our social media handles. We'll get back to you and fix a date, and we'll be there to interview you. Till then, I hope you enjoy this video. Keep watching.
My name is Karthikeya. I'm currently studying in DPS RKpuram. I joined the Princeton Review for my SAT coaching. I came across SAT when I was considering going to foreign universities and not studying in India. I mainly considered USA as my destination, so I wanted to prepare for the SAT. For initially 2 or 3 months, I tried preparing on my own, but it was of no benefit, so my parents suggested to join the Princeton Review. I joined Princeton about 6 months before my actual SAT, which was in December 2017. And Princeton was a really great experience because the teachers there and the faculty there really helped me to get the fear out of SAT from me. The SAT consists of 4 sections. First is the reading, then the writing, and then 2 math sections, one without calculator and one with calculator. The reading section consists of 65 minutes and about 5 passages. So the reading section is, according to me, one of the toughest sections in the SAT because the reading section requires a lot of vocabulary and a command over your English. I personally read a lot of books, so reading wasn't so tough for me, but I have met other people for whom reading was extremely tough. So my only tip for the reading section will be to read a lot of books and get your spoken and correct your spoken English and develop your vocabulary. The Princeton Review helped me by giving a list of about 1,000 or 2,000 words, which really helped to develop my vocabulary. Their books, along with the official blue book of the made by College Board, and books like Kaplan's and Barron's, really helped to get my reading above average level. Writing is the easiest section on the SAT because it only has spoken English, and if you converse in English with your friends or your parents, it will be a piece of cake for you. Now on to the math section. The calculator section is really easy because although you have less time, but the questions are very easy. If you're studying in CBSE board and you're clear with your concepts and you have done your NCERT, it won't be such a big task for you. As for the calculator section, yes, you may have a bit of trouble because I study in CBSE, so using calculator was new for me. So I personally struggled a lot initially because there was always a time crunch of reading the question and then using the calculator to put in the values and then ticking the final answer. Also, overall, the SAT has a lot of trap questions, so the more you practice, the more you can overcome those trap questions. Out of 1600, I initially scored 1250 when I didn't have any preparation. I just gave my first mock test. So from 1250 to 1500, it took a lot of hard work. Initially, my scores dropped because I started stressing a lot. So the Princeton's faculty only told me one thing: to not stress, because they knew that I was capable of getting such a score. So the most important thing is to remain calm during an exam, because I have seen a lot of people who did amazing on mock tests but panicked during the main exam, so that the score dropped. So just remain calm on the main test of the day. Take a good night's sleep before the main exam. Get your diet right. Don't drink too much or don't eat too much between the breaks that you get in an exam, and you will be fine. The SAT is not such a big task if you're coming from CBSE or ICSE board. So just remain calm and do your best.
So that's it for this video. I hope you like this video. Please like, share and subscribe to our channel. Also, click on the notification button to get all the notifications of all our awesome sauce videos. Also, reach out to us if you want to be interviewed or would like to call us to your campus. We'll interview a bunch of your friends also. Till then, I hope you like this video. Keep watching.